Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to relate contacts to multiple accounts in Salesforce. This is incredibly useful when you're working with contacts who are connected to more than one company or organization, allowing you to see all those relationships in one place. First, click the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen and select Setup. This will take you to the main configuration area where you can customize how Salesforce works for your organization. Once you're in Setup, click on Object Manager, which you'll find beside the Home tab. The Object Manager is where you can access and modify all the different objects in your Salesforce instance, like contacts, accounts, and opportunities. Next, search for and select Contact. This opens up all the settings and configurations specific to the contact object, giving you control over how contact records appear and function. Now click on Page Layouts, then select your default layout. This is typically called Contact Layout, but it might have a different name in your organization. Once you've selected it, click Edit to start making changes. In the palette on the left side of the screen, select Related Lists. You'll see various options you can add to your page layout. Drag the Related Accounts option into the Related Lists section at the bottom of your layout. This step is crucial because it allows you to see all the accounts that a contact is related to, not just their primary account. Take a moment to position it where you want it to appear on the page. Once you've placed it, click Save to apply these changes to your contact page layout. Now we need to set up the account side of this relationship. Back in Object Manager, select Account. This ensures that when you're viewing an account record, you can also see all related contacts. Click on Page Layouts, select your default account layout, and click Edit. Just like you did with contacts, you're now customizing how account records display information. Drag the Related Contacts option into the Related Lists section. This mirrors what you did on the contact side, creating a two-way relationship view. Before saving, click the Settings icon, which looks like a wrench, on the Related Contacts section. In the Settings menu, add the Direct field. This field is important because it lets you distinguish between direct relationships and indirect ones. Click OK to confirm this change, then click Save to finalize your account page layout. And that's it. You've successfully configured Salesforce to relate contacts to multiple accounts, giving you much better visibility into complex business relationships. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.